Hey guys, in today's video I'll show you how to add recent follower in Streamlabs OBS. Open Streamlabs OBS and navigate to your scene. Click the plus button in the search section and in the search menu select Stream Label. Click Add Search. Optional, you can rename it to latest follower or any preferred name. Customize appearance by adjusting settings such as font, text transformation, and other phone-related preference. Move to your live scene, position latest follower alert wherever you prefer, and you can use pre-designed themes from Stream or customize its placement according to your layout. Feel free to play around with settings and personalization alerts to match your streaming style. And that's it. You successfully add recent follower alert to your Streamlabs. If you found this tutorial helpful, consider subscribing and liking video.